my best bet is I'm going to screw it in first. So right off the bat, I'm going to take it. I'm not going to put a lot of screws because that Gorilla Glue is going to hold everything together. I'm going to put one and two. I'm going to use these itty bitty white finish nails, which are real simple. They'll go in. It should be big enough. Yep, it will be big enough. Excuse me. Let me find a hammer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want to put together just like so. Now Gorilla Glue is great, however this Gorilla Glue expands, so you don't need a lot. So honestly, it holds everything together.